Hey, this is AC Lock here with SoftWash Systems, and I've got Jared and George with Pelican SoftWash. Where are you guys servicing?
The greater New Orleans area.
The greater New Orleans area. That's a pretty big area, right? Okay, cool. So New Orleans area. Do y'all fish for redfish and eat oysters and crawdads and stuff there? Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. I like going to New Orleans because the food is awesome, okay? So if you've got a house or a property in New Orleans, these are going to be our guys now in New Orleans, and it's Pelican SoftWash. We've built this beautiful system for them. What year truck is this actually? It's a Ford truck. What year?
2011.
2011. This thing looks brand spanking new. I can't believe how great this truck came out. I mean, it really looks good. Y'all proud of this?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Very, very cool. Well, guys, thank you so much for
Thank you.
trusting us with building this truck for you. Go ahead and exit out that way. I'm going to take a few moments to talk about this great truck here. Of course, Yana and Enoch with our creative services team have done just another great job with the great logo here. We actually got the Pelican worked into the design. Beautiful colors here, nice and soft. We got the greens, we got the blues, we got the light blues. Just a great overall design. And again, this is a 2011 Ford pickup truck. You don't have to buy a brand spanking new truck. We can make it look fabulous, and this truck looks absolutely fabulous. This is one of the prettier trucks that we've put out this week. Again, we've come in, as we usually do on these trucks, we've put in a 72-inch, which is our extra large, holds 4 modules, SoftWash Systems cradle skid. On this side here, curbside, we've put in Titan hose reels. We buy a lot of Titan hose reels. We love our team over there at Titan, okay? These are electric hose reels. They're not on right now because we have a breaker or an off switch in the back, so people can't come up and hit this button at the grocery store and get whacked in the face with a wand, okay? So we've got an 18-inch Titan hose reel here. This is 5/8 hose. This is for their rinse reel, for their bulk rinse module. And this has about 280 feet of rinse hose on it, on an electric hose reel. Right next to it here, we have their application reel, which has 300 feet of half-inch hose. And this is their SoftWash application reel. Again, another 18-inch electric Titan hose reel. I can take the whole truck right here and move the whole truck. Everything's very sturdy and stable on this truck. If we come around here to the back side, you'll see right here what's powering all these electric hose reels and bulk rinse pumps and everything. Again, it's our battery rack with 4 Group 24 DC batteries in here with both an AC and a DC charging system. So this truck recaptures the kinetic energy it's making anyhow to charge these batteries. Okay? Now, because every once in a while, especially in New Orleans, have y'all ever seen how dirty New Orleans gets? It gets funkalicious in New Orleans. You've still got to bust out the no-no blaster every now and then, okay? Because sometimes you've just got to mow the grass or move copious amounts of debris and dirt and everything else. The flat concrete there gets very dirty, so we've come in here with a Honda GX90. We've got actually a belt drive here, pressure washer. Takes a little stress off the pump. You get a little more GPM, a longer maintenance cycle. This system will hold up longer between maintenances, lasts a little longer. It's electric start here, just a workhorse, okay? And they're gonna go ahead and put on their hose reel and put their hose in here and all that kind of stuff. We've got extra area for him to expand later for all of that, okay? If we come back around to this side over here, I want to show you guys that in between the hose reels here, we moved the blend module control panel to the B position, so I can reach right through here to get to the controls on either my blend module or get to the controls right here on my bulk rinse module. So in between the reels here, we can access those modules. We can keep our garden hoses rolled up down here in the hose bin between the tanks and the side of the truck. Lots of space in there, you can see. Okay, and as we move around over here to the other side of the truck, go ahead and follow me. They went ahead and added in, it's a very, very popular upgrade for us, is their saddle tanks. We call them saddle tanks because they hang on the side of our regular tanks like a saddlebag on a horse or a Harley Davidson, okay? So this one right here is for our plant wash. We actually decal them so they can see what product goes in here. Has a metering ball valve on it to control feeding the plant wash to the bulk rinse pump for neutralizing the plants. We've got a soap saddle tank here with our green wash, Terra Wash, Rain Fresh. We call it the House Wash Trinity. We mix those 3 products in here to blend up into our blend module. And then this other soap saddle tank here, we just put our green washes. This is the formula we use for doing roof cleaning. And it's also here, we've got these little valves here for turning it off and on for feeding it to the blend module right there. Okay, now on their particular system also too, they've left the D position here open. So you see the D position right here is open. That's open so that later they can add a pure water module or maybe a buffer tank for the pressure washer. But they've got room here to expand the system. And because they have this great direct drive pressure washer, I'm sorry, not direct drive, but belt drive pressure washer right here, up above it we have our flat surface cleaner rack where they're going to be able to store their rotary flat surface cleaner that they use on driveways and sidewalks for cleaning those up here on this rack safely and securely up at the top of their system, up there with their ladder rack. Just clean, tight, organized. It's a beautiful truck. The wrap came out great. Look at the message here on the back of the tailgate. The alternative to pressure washing. Even though we have a no-no blaster here, we're communicating to people that not always are we going to have to use that no-no blaster or that pressure washer. We don't want to do roofs or wood fences or siding with this and possibly cause damage. We've got other equipment here that's the alternative to pressure washing, which is a great message to send out there because soft washing is that alternative. Again, it's Pelican SoftWash. They're out there in the greater New Orleans area. You can reach them right here at 985-630-3342 if you're out there and you need your property cleaned. If not, you can reach us here at SoftWash Systems to help put you into the soft washing business. Our website address is softwashsystems.com, or you can reach us on the phone at 855-763-8669. That's 855-763-8669. Hey, I'm AC Lockyer with SoftWash Systems. Go forth and prosper.